Hello friend. Today we are going to learn language translator standard 4th. Okay, standard 4th chapter 2. We have already seen the types of a software. Okay, first part is our over, and now the in that part we have already learned about need of software, types of a software, system software and application software. Okay, operating system. In a system software we have seen the operating system, functions of operating system. Okay, now we are going to learn about the language translator. Okay, so in a language translator there are three types of translator, like assembler, compiler and interpreter. So in a assembler, okay, what is the work of assembler? Like convert the program written in assembly language to a machine language. Whatever language, whichever language, convert the program, okay, written in a assembly language, okay, to convert into machine language. Machine language is a binary language. Binary language, that is called our bits 0 or 1. That is called our machine language. Or because computer is not understand the any other language, computer only understand the bits or bytes language, 0 or 1 language. Okay, that is called conversion into the machine language. That is assembler. Compiler is called what? Converts the program written into high level language to machine level language. First one is what? Assemble. Okay, assemble is a work of assembler is a assembly language to machine language. Converts the assembly language to machine level language. Second is a compiler. Compiler is what? Converts the program written into high level language to machine level language. Same, high level language converts the high level language to machine level language. High level to machine level language. Third one is a interpreter. Third one is what? Interpreter. Interpreter is converts the program written high level language to machine level language line by line. Compiler whole the program converts, okay, in a high level language to machine level language, and interpreter, this compiler is a whole program, okay, whole program, and interpreter is a line by line check, okay, program check by converts by line is like same high level language, high level to machine level, high level language to machine level language. Okay, so these are called the function language translator. First one is assembler, second one is a compiler, okay, and interpreter. Compiler is what? Whole program converts into high level language to machine level language, and interpreter is a convert the line by line from high level language to machine level language. So these are the language translator. Next one is a utility software. Okay, utility software. In a utility software there are three types, okay, antivirus, backup software, three categorized software, okay, antivirus software, backup software and compression software. Antivirus, so we will see the antivirus software. So you can see the different types of antivirus, okay. Here there are many types of antivirus, okay. See here image of antivirus, some Norton antivirus, okay, Avira, Avast, Bulgard, Bitdefender. So these are MacApp. So these are the different antivirus name of the software, okay. You can see the different antivirus software available, Quick Help, Total Security, okay. So these are the antivirus software. Next one is a backup software. Next one is what? Backup software. So you can say the backup of your data. You can take the backup like a CD, DVD, pen drive, this kind also. See, internal, external hard disks. Okay, so this kind of software are the backup software. Okay, in a for the backup software, your image is given into your textbook. Okay, so you can see on your textbook, CD, DVD, pen drive. Okay, so these are the backup software. Backup means so you can the copy of your document from the one place to another. You can take the another copy from the your computer or your laptop to another place. That is called a backup software or a backup of your data. Okay, this is the basic definition of a backup software. Compression utility means it is a software program that compresses and extract the file. Compression utility. Compression utility. Okay, so this is a WinRAR file. For example, WinRAR file. Okay, WinRAR file. We will see the image of WinRAR file. See, this kind of image you can see the WinRAR file. Okay, WinRAR software. You can compress the many file into one file. Okay, many file or folders into one file. That is called WinRAR file. You can see the symbol like many books or hold in one belt. Okay, so that this kind of logic. You can many files combine into one file. Okay, so that is called WinRAR file or compression utility software. There are many softwares available for this kind of file. WinRAR file, 7-zip file, PKzip file. Okay, so these are the these three kind of a utility software. First is what antivirus. Second one is a backup software, and third one is a compression utility software. Okay.